How to grow zucchini from seed to harvest vertical bar, the Wormy Garden. Hey gardeners, welcome to the Wormy Garden. If you want a veggie that grows fast, produces abundantly, and is incredibly easy to grow, even for beginners, zucchini is your garden hero. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to grow zucchini from seed to harvest, with practical tips for raised beds, in-ground gardens, and large containers. Zucchini is a warm-season squash that thrives in sunny spaces and fertile soil. It's perfect for summer gardening and can provide dozens of fruits from a single plant. In this step-by-step guide, we'll cover seed starting, transplanting, spacing, sunlight and watering needs, fertilizing, pest prevention, and how to know exactly when to harvest for the best flavor and texture. Step 1. Starting seeds. Start zucchini seeds indoors 2 to 3 weeks before your last frost date, or sow them directly outdoors once soil temperatures reach at least 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Use peat pots, paper pots, or any biodegradable option if starting indoors. Zucchini doesn't like root disturbance. Plant seeds 1 inch deep and keep the soil warm and moist. Germination usually takes 5 to 10 days. Step 2. Transplanting or direct sowing. Transplant seedlings carefully once nighttime temperatures are consistently above 55 degrees Fahrenheit. In the garden, space plants 2 to 3 feet apart to give them room to spread. In containers, use a 5-gallon pot or larger, and make sure it has drainage holes. Step 3. Sunlight and soil. Zucchini loves full sun. Give it at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Use rich, well-draining soil amended with compost or worm castings. Zucchini is a heavy feeder, so prep the planting site with plenty of organic matter. Step 4. Watering and mulching. Water deeply 1 to 2 times a week, depending on rainfall and heat. Avoid watering overhead. Water at the base to prevent powdery mildew. Mulch with straw, leaves, or compost to retain moisture and keep the soil cool. Step 5. Fertilizing. Feed zucchini with compost tea or a balanced organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Side dress with worm castings during flowering to support fruit development. Step 6. Pest and disease management. Watch for squash bugs, cucumber beetles, aphids, and vine borers. Check the undersides of leaves and use neem oil or insecticidal soap if needed. Row covers can help early in the season. Just be sure to remove them for pollination. Step 7. Supporting pollinators. Zucchini plants have both male and female flowers and need pollinators to set fruit. Attract bees with companion plants like nasturtiums, calendula, or borage. If needed, hand pollinate using a soft brush or cotton swab. Step 8. Harvesting. Harvest zucchini when they're about 6 to 8 inches long. This is when they're most tender and flavorful. Check your plants daily. Zucchini grows fast and can turn into a baseball bat overnight. Use scissors or a sharp knife to cut fruit from the plant. Zucchini is a fun, fast, and rewarding crop that belongs in every summer garden. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, hit that like button, leave a comment with your favorite zucchini recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to the Wormy Garden for more gardening and vermicomposting tips.